Welcome back to Island Life Live. It's David D. Mihano Kalahain from the Hawaiian Council. Thank you so much again for being here. I know you guys are so busy right now with the many things. You got the Huaka'i to the North Shore.
Yeah.
You got so many things happening with Hawaiian Council. But the big thing that's coming up next month is convention.
Yes. Convention is happening July 20th to the 22nd, and then the 23rd to the 25th is Keiki Hula. So it's one whole week of just Hawaiian stuff, right?
Yeah.
And so it's not only for Native Hawaiians, right? If you are our friends, our family, if you call Hawaii home, too, there'll be issues that are discussed there. There'll be, the makeke is gonna be there. We have some great collab pieces that are gonna come out between Uncle Bill Char and Rocket Ahuna, Peggy Hopper. Like, we have some great things going on in our makeke. We have a whole, during Keiki Hula, we also have the makeke is gonna explode. It's gonna be so big. It's gonna have so much
It's Nā Mea
vendors.
Hawaiʻi, yeah? You guys...
So Nā Mea Hawaiʻi is gonna run the makeke during the convention, and then we're gonna have like a lahui market, coming on the Keiki Hula end of the week. Yeah. So we have different vendors coming in and out throughout that week. So we're gonna have a good time.
I like
good
this.
fun.
I know you guys got live music. And
live music.
A pauhana bar? Are you having a pauhana bar?
Yes, we are. Yeah, and the pauhana bar is like all day. Yeah, it's all day long.
I love that. That's how we celebrate.
You pau hana when you pau your hana. When you just be like, okay, I'm done. Yeah, the
no
pau hana
judgment.
bar is there for you. Yeah,
Yes.
and a whole ho'oluana area where people can. We know that what happens mostly at conventions is it's an opportunity for everybody to see each other, right? So even though the breakouts and the plenary sessions are super jam-packed and meaningful with important things that we need to discuss and learn about and learn from each other, the luana, the ability to sit and just be around each other is also a highlight and a feature. And we think that we do that well too. We create the spaces.
I have to agree. You guys do everything with excellence at Hawaiian Council. And again, convention coming up July
20th, yeah, the 20th on that Monday. On that Monday to the Wednesday is convention, the week of July 20th, and then the Thursday through the Saturday is Keiki Hula. Before we leave, I just want to send a shout out because one of our mission goals is to uplift culture, and Kumu Hokulani Haut from the island of Maui just celebrated 50 years of halau pa'u o hi'iaka, on Maui, and it was a great event. Celebrated, with all her lala, all the kumu that she has unikied, and you could see her legacy just filled, that space in that room. So shout out to Kumu Hokulani Haut, the island of Maui, on that success. But so we're coming up to convention time.
I love it.
Everybody go to hawaiiancouncil.org.
All right, mahalo kumu.